Namaste, fellow explorers. Prepare to embark on a mesmerizing journey through the heart of India, a land where history whispers from the ancient walls and culture dances through the vibrant streets. I'm your guide, the Traveling Zam, and today we'll unlock the secrets of India's cultural crown jewel, the Golden Triangle. A tapestry that forms a majestic triangle on the map seamlessly connects the bustling metropolis of Delhi, the city of eternal love, Agra, with the iconic Taj Mahal, and the regal pink city of Jaipur, steeped in royal splendor. As we embark on this expedition, get ready to witness the blend of tradition and modernity, the echoes of ancient tales, and the breathtaking landscapes that define the essence of India. Our journey kicks off in Delhi, the vibrant heartbeat of India, where the past seamlessly intertwines with the pulse of modern life. As we stroll through this chaotic and dynamic metropolis, you'll discover that every street and monument has a story to tell. Our first stop in Delhi brings us to the iconic Red Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This grand fortress with its imposing red sandstone walls has witnessed centuries of history, from the Mughal emperors to the British colonial era. As we explore its massive gates and intricate architecture, we delve into the chapters of India's rich past. A beautiful place to admire the regal symmetry and delicate design that makes any trip to India worth it. Next, we visit the Jama Masjid, one of the largest mosques in India. Its vast courtyard and stunning architecture makes it a symbol of Mughal elegance and religious diversity. Let the echoes of prayers and the intricate details of the mosque's design transport you to a different era. Make sure to head up one of the towering minarets for sweeping views of the hazy city in the distance and the neighboring Red Fort. Continuing our exploration, stroll down the grand Rajpath into the bustling market streets of Chandni Chowk and feel the energy of a city that is both the seat of power and a mosaic of diverse cultures. While our journey through Old Delhi unfolds, you can experience the vibrancy of the busy markets from the safety of a bike rickshaw that weaves through the thick crowds, an ideal way to observe this commercial hub. Eventually, the market streets take you to the aromatic spice market, where massive bags of all types of exotic spices are carried on men's shoulders to all corners of the city. Delhi is a dynamic megacity where history unfolds at every step. From the grandeur of the Red Fort to the spiritual ambience of the Jama Masjid, this city beckons us to uncover the layers of its fascinating past. Agra, the city where every corner echoes the eternal romance immortalized in marble. This city, steeped in history, unfolds like a love story etched in stone, and our first chapter brings us face to face with the most iconic symbol of love, the Taj Mahal. A symphony in white that needs no introduction. As the morning sun kisses its marble facade, witness a love story carved in the walls of time. The Taj Mahal is not just a monument, it's a testament to everlasting love and unparalleled architectural beauty. Vast, symmetrical gardens fill the massive courtyard, filled to the brim with tourists. It's one of the world's 7 wonders and an absolute must-see, but far from a tranquil experience. But if you are patient, you can find some quieter corners of this majestic monument and sit and contemplate its history right along the river. Our exploration continues to Agra Fort, a formidable citadel of red sandstone that stands as a silent witness to centuries of power and passion. The views of the Taj Mahal from here are simply mesmerizing, providing a unique perspective on the grandeur of this architectural marvel. Walk through its vast halls and admire the beautiful architecture and design in every room of this majestic palace. From the intricate details of the Taj Mahal to the fortresses that guarded ancient empires, Agra invites us to step back in time and witness the grandeur of Mughal architecture. Jaipur, the Pink City, where regality meets vibrant hues in a dance of splendor. As we enter this city, you'll find that every corner narrates a royal saga, and every palace whispers tales of a bygone era. Our first stop in Jaipur is the iconic Hawa Mahal, the Palace of Winds. Admire its intricate facade and imagine the royal ladies observing the city below without being seen through the lattice windows. This architectural marvel is a testament to the skill and creativity of the Rajput craftsmen and a must-visit stop on your tour through the Pink City. Just out of town, ascend to the majestic Amber Fort, where the opulence of the Rajput rulers comes to life. The intricate architecture and sprawling courtyards and the stunning views of the surrounding hills make this fort a jewel in Jaipur's crown. Explore the palaces, halls, and gardens that echo with the footsteps of kings and queens. Another excursion from the town center would be a visit to the Monkey Temple. Just over the hills from the metropolis, you find a colorful series of temples built into the rocks. Monkeys dance around water pools where pilgrims come to rinse themselves in the holy water. It's a magnificent sight seeing the blend of traditional rituals and rich color that makes India so unique and memorable. Jaipur is a city full of beautiful color and majestic palaces. Thank you for joining me on this whirlwind tour of the Golden Triangle, Delhi, Agra, and Jaipur. Each city, a chapter in India's rich history, a canvas painted with architectural marvels and cultural gems. If you enjoyed this voyage and want to help support my channel, you can become a patron by clicking the link in the description. Your contribution helps me continue to bring you more immersive content, explore new destinations, and share the beauty of the world. I often share exclusive content and additional insight into my travels there, and opens more communication to my travel community. So join my Patreon family and let's make every journey together more incredible. Thank you for being a part of this adventure, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until our next adventure, happy travels.